Hi everybody, welcome back to the European Autocraft Studios 944 Turbo Restoration Series. As you can see, we're in the European Autocraft Studios backlot with the 944 Turbo. I've come up with a few little issues here. One of them is the body shop. The owner has sort of had some issues. He had a car accident with one of his cars. He's paid out a lot on that, and he also had a little damage from Ian, the storm we had recently. So right now cash is not available to get this car in the body shop. Somewhat painful because we had such a great run of what we were doing here, but we're not going to give up. We still have to get the glass out. He's been very busy. Apparently Ian took out some windshields, a lot of them. So he's been very busy. We're trying to get him here so we can get this glass out. And also the dolly for under the car, still we haven't been able to get it yet. We're going to try to get it on Monday. We think we got to figure it out how we're going to get the dolly here. And then the fabricator is going to come in, Jim, and he's going to come in and make the brackets to mount it to the car. All of that's still going to happen. We'll get the suspension out and we'll show you all of that. One important thing is we need money. We need to get some money to get this car to the body shop. It's not really for us. It's for the owner, but not really for him. It's to keep the series going. We started this 2.5 years ago, maybe 3 years ago, trying to struggle through the shop and get the regular work done as well as get this done. I think we've done pretty well so far over the last year or so, getting it to the point it is now. Some of you noticed last video we finished taking the car apart except for the striker. Yeah, I forgot about that, but we got that out. Same as the other side. The car does need a lot of work. We're guessing it's probably going to be 3 or 4 months in the body shop, but in that time we'll be taking all the suspension apart, cleaning parts, still trying to get a compressor for the shop so I can run that big wet blasting machine. That should be here sometime in the near future. Things are starting to slow down a little bit, so you know, as far as progress on the car, so we got to do something. What we're going to do is we want to start a GoFundMe. Again, it's not just for the owner; it's for all of you and for us too. We want to keep the project going, but mainly for the body shop. We got to get this car in and get it going. It's going to take a long time, so we want to get it started while we're working on all the other pieces. As well as the engine. The wiring harness, I'm going to lay that all out and clean it, and we're going to fix all of that harness so it looks brand new again. All of these things have to be done. I can't let this project sit. We're going to be doing probably next week a video for the GoFundMe campaign where you'll get to see and hear the story, a lot of what happened with the owner. He's a good guy, just things sort of fell apart the last minute. I just discovered this last week. So as much as we are trying to get this ready, we're going to need some help. So unfortunately this video isn't going to be very long. I just wanted to let all you guys know, please stick with us. Keep subscribing because there's a lot more good stuff coming in the future. Go see the GoFundMe campaign. Maybe next week it'll be up. I'm not exactly sure when. We got a lot to do to prepare for it. Not going to ask for a lot, just enough for this to keep the show going and keep the series going. We want to do so much more with other cars, but for now, this is the one we need to get done. So thanks for watching this short video. We'll see you next week with more good stuff, I promise. So thanks again, and please subscribe. A lot more good stuff coming. Thanks.